Hi, we have a very simple lab here. So I'm going to be configuring the DHCP relay. DHCP relay is pretty much like a service that distributes network from that distribute IP when the LAN is on a different network from the server, whatever. So in this, you can see the DHCP server has an IP 172.16166.111. And the LAN right here, we have three hosts on this LAN, and the LAN is on a different subnet max. You can see right here. So we got 24 subnet max. So we're trying to configure DHCP relays so we can so that the server can communicate with the host, even though they're on a different network. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Also, you can see this like this interface is down. I'm gonna do a no shot to bring it back up. So whenever I see the red, it just shows that there's no network traveling between the router and this router 2 and the switch. All right. So I'm gonna do a no shot. Then I'm gonna bring it back alive so we can have a good service. So yeah, I'm gonna configure this interface so that whenever this host send packet, I can deliver to the server. If not, without bringing this interface up, whenever there's a packet sent from either of this host, it's gonna get here and gonna bounce right back. So I'm gonna go to the CLI of this of R2 router and enable this interface. So I'm gonna go. Also, I'm gonna assign IP to the interface, like called the helper IP, to make the transmission of data smooth. So I'm gonna go global config mode, IP address. It's gonna be 192.168.168.2.1, and the subnet max is 24 right there. Subnet max is 24. 24 means it's gonna be 255.255.255.0. I'm gonna enter. Oh, there's something wrong. Hmm. I'll try that again. Oh, okay. I have to enable the interface first. Let's go. So it's gonna be interface gig 0.1 interface gig 0.1. So this very one. So I'm gonna go. Then now I can enter my IP address. All right, let's see. Wow, it works now. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put the IP helper address. It's gonna be the DHCP server address. So it's gonna be IP helper address 172.16.16. All right, to bring this interface, the interface up, I'm going to do a no shutdown command, which is going to make everything green. Oh, let me just move this so you can see what I'm working on. So I'm going to move yeah, right. So I'm going to do a no shutdown, which is going to bring this interface up. All right. So I'm going to go no shutdown. All right, since Panitree is working, you see we just got one uh, green right triangle, and this other one is coming up. It's going to come up. So you can see spanning tree is done, and our interface, the 0.1/1 interface is up. You can see it's showing green. All right, now we're gonna go to the host and go see if the configuration we did for the IP address is accurate. So I'm gonna go to Ruby. I'm gonna go to desktop IP configuration. All right, so right now it's in static mode. So static mode. I'm gonna go ahead and static means manually configuring the IP addresses, but we are doing automatic, which is the DHCP, which automatically ends out IP addresses to devices whenever it's connected to the network. So I'm gonna go ahead and enable DHCP. It should give the, let's see what address it's gonna give. Um, all right, so we're able to get the 192.254.166.441. So I think the next O is going to be 42. All right, that is done. I'm going to go to Genie O's. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go desktop IP configuration. It's in static mode. I'm going to go DHCP. All right, let's see. It's handing out IP addresses. All right, I'm going to go to the next one to make sure. I'm going to go desktop. I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so it's static mode. I'm going to go DHCP. Let's see what address it got. All right, so all the hosts now they all have IP addresses due to our configuration. Also, just to make sure, we're gonna go ahead and ping the server from our R2 router to see if we can reach it. So we're just gonna go ping 172.168.116.111. Oh no, let's see, is it ping? One six one six. All right, we're able to ping. Let's see, success rate is 100%. You can see, so we're able to get to the router from the, we're able to get to the DHCP server from the router. So it pings successfully. That means our configuration was correct. So I'm gonna go to the one on the host and try to ping the server from the host and see how that turns out. Oh, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna S this out. I'm gonna go to the server. I'm gonna go to command prompt. I'm gonna try to ping it from the server. So 192.16.16.111. So we're pinging the DHCP server from one of the hosts to see how it goes. All right, you can see 4 packets were sent, 4 packets were received. So there was no data loss at all. Everything was like accurate. So our configuration of the DHCP relay was effective. Thank you for watching. Haha.